The purpose of this video is to illustrate how an employee of Southern Westchester BOCES would log into Wincapweb. Wincapweb should be used for employees to access their paycheck data, view attendance balances, and adjust employee demographics such as phone numbers, home address, and emergency contacts. For this illustration, I'll be using my personal login credentials. When an employee accesses the system, they would use their own login credentials. To access Wincapweb, open up a web browser and type in www.wincapweb.com. This will bring you to the Wincapweb homepage. If you have never logged in before and need to create an account, please email Joanne Lawson in the Human Resource Department at jlawson@swboces.org to request instructions on setting up a new Wincapweb account. If you have a Wincapweb account but do not remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link and an email will be sent to your BOCES email account with the password reset instructions. Once you have reached the Wincapweb homepage illustrated here, you are ready to log in. The username is your full BOCES email address. Passwords for Wincapweb must be a minimum of 8 characters, contain one upper or lowercase letter, one number, and one symbol. Once you have entered your login information, you'll be brought to the main employee self-service page illustrated here. Other videos on this site will explain how to access your paycheck data, view attendance balances, and adjust employee demographics.